In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off chat on Wix. If you're using a Wix template, you might notice it comes with a chat feature by default. This can be incredibly helpful for engaging with your visitors, but there are times when you may want to turn it off or remove it altogether. Maybe it's not a feature you need just now, or perhaps you're aiming for a cleaner, simpler look for your site. Whatever the reason, turning off chat on Wix is a straightforward task, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First things first, let's head over to the Wix website editor. This is where you make all the customizations to your site, from changing the design to adding new features. Once you're at the editor, look for the chat button on your template. It's usually part of your site's default settings. Now, to turn off the chat, what you need to do is simply right-click on that chat button. You'll see a few options pop up. Among them, there'll be an option to delete. Go ahead and click on Delete. This action will effectively remove the visible chat button from your site, which can be enough if you're just looking to hide it from visitors without removing the functionality completely. Now, if you've decided that you want to go a step further and completely remove the chat feature, there's a bit more you need to do. Let's look over to the left side of the editor. Here you'll find an array of icons. These are what help you navigate different sections of your site settings. Look for the icon labeled My Business. This is your gateway to managing all business-related features on your site. Click on it, and a menu should appear. From that menu, locate and select Wix Chat. Once you have Wix Chat open, direct your attention to the right side. You're looking for a three-dotted icon, often referred to as the ellipsis. Click on these three dots, and a new set of options will appear. One of these options should be to delete. By selecting Delete here, you'll not only remove the chat button visually, but also erase the feature's presence from your site entirely. This means it won't run in the background or appear to visitors, making your site a tad more streamlined. And there you have it. Turning off or even completely removing the chat feature on Wix is quite simple. Whether you're just aiming to declutter your site's appearance, or if you prefer not having that function available. Remember, you can always re-enable it if you change your mind later. Thank you for watching and happy website building.